Hi friends! In our today's show, we will make a cute organizer where you can collect all your pens and pencils. It will look just like this one. It has a lot of space, it looks amazing, and for that you'll only need colored paper and believe me, just a little patience. So, first, let's put together the organizer's base. We fold a sheet of paper into a triangle. Unfold and fold the triangle again. Expand and fold horizontally. Now expand, flip, and fold horizontally again. Make sure the sides match. And the base is ready. Now we take on the cover of the organizer. We measure the size we need on a sheet of paper. We use a ready-made organizer framework. We make bends along the outline lines. Decorating the cover of the organizer, we will use characters from the Jolly Battle game. It remains only to glue the lid. And now we close the organizer. Now you can put all your pens and pencils into this cute organizers. Everything is in order. By the way, all the organizer tutorials can be watched on our channel. And now, just don't forget to subscribe and share video with your friends. Because we are friends on social networks. I look forward to your comments and tell us which of the organizers you like the most. And until next time, I forgot one more. Now done.